This is an exclusive conversation with Nepal's Foreign Minister Azur Rana Debut. Ma'am, thank you so much for joining us here on the India Today network. You're here and at a place where there's so many Europeans here, at a time when Europe is in a flux. How do you compare that to South Asia, to Nepal, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan?
Well, I thought I would never say that, and I think maybe you also thought you would never hear anyone saying that, but now I feel South Asia is a much safer and better place to be in, and I hope our peace and stability and our the good neighborliness we have continues, and I'm happy that I'm in South Asia and not anywhere else right now, really.
Okay, we will talk a little bit about the situation across the world and how Nepal also is viewing it. But in terms of India-Nepal ties, where do you see it headed? We've seen a lot of political flux, governments that have been pro-India, not so pro-India. Right now, at this point in time, where do you think Nepal-India relations stand?
I think we are heading to a good place, and this government is very pro-Nepal. So when you say you're pro-Nepal, it automatically means you want very good relations with India, because we are India locked on three sides. So a lot of the talks that were stalled for the past so many, like maybe for a year or two, have reopened, and in the last few months we've had talks on trade, on water resources, on border management. So all these things are now coming back on track. So I'm hoping that our relationship will get stronger and better.
Okay. In terms of water and land, let's just talk about land. A lot of questions were asked on the boundary question. Nepal had also upped the ante when it comes to certain areas in Lipulekha and the rest. How do you see a resolution to this ongoing border situation?
I think we already have understanding where there has been a group formed under the aegis of the Indian Foreign Secretary and the Nepali Foreign Secretary. And I think at an opportune time they will sit down and look at all these outstanding issues. The regular issues, we are hopefully going to be working on it soon. Yeah.
A lot also was in conversation when it comes to Gorkhas, the absorbing of Nepali nationals in the Indian Army. Do you think that's still part of the conversation, or is there some forward movement on that?
I think, the Gorkha issue, we've had recruitment for a very long time. And I think after there was a different pattern of recruitment of soldiers in the army in Nepal, in India, I think it has been stopped. But once the issue is resolved in India, I don't think we'll have a problem.
Final question to you now, larger zooming out of India, Nepal. There's a lot of conflict and war happening across the globe. What's the role that you see India play in resolution of conflicts and crises? Is it in a place where India is a stakeholder in world peace?
I think so. I've been attending the forums that India has been organizing now. Not only like I was at the Indian Ocean Conference and at this conference too. I think India has now come to a place where it can convene all these big global dialogues and create a forum where people come and talk in a safe space. And I think this is a great leap that India has taken in this geopolitical field. And it's, I think, because I'm also a Hindu, I think it's a very good kind of image that India is now able to give as a peacemaker on a global stage. And as a neighbor, I just feel happy about it.
On that note, thank you so much for joining us here on India Today. That was the Foreign Minister of Nepal speaking exclusively to India Today with video journalist Ajay Kumar Sinha. This is Geeta Mohan reporting for India Today Global.